Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TheLiveEngineers. In today's video, we are building a sleek animated navigation menu using HTML, CSS and JavaScript like this, with a smooth expandable effect, rotating menu items and an interactive toggle button. So let's begin with the project. First, we need to create one index.html, style.css and script.js file inside our file directory. Then in the index.html, give this general structure of the HTML page by using exclamation mark, edit the title, and write a content and open it with a live server to see the live page. First, create one div with the ID of nav. Inside it, create one UL, and inside the UL, create one li, and inside li, give one anchor tag, and inside it, give the content as home. Now copy it multiple times and edit it based on your need. And then outside this UL tag, create one button with the class of icon and ID of toggle. And inside this button, give one div with the class of line and another class name line1. Copy it down and change the class name as line2. And instead of this div, make it as nav. So this is it about our HTML page. Now we will begin with the styling. First, create this general code, that is margin 0, padding 0 and box size in border box to the root, and link the CSS into our HTML body. So now CSS is linked. Now let's begin the styling of body. Give a background color of this hashtag and background image of a linear gradient to bottom and 4 or 5 color based on your preference. So let me give it first. Then inside this body, give font family as your liking, display flex, align item center, justify content center and height of 100 ph. Now the content is in center of the page. Now select this nav and give a background color of white, padding of 20 pixel, width of 80 pixel and display flex, align item center and justify content center. So the content is in center as well. Border radius of 3 pixel, box shadow of 0, 2 pixel, 5 pixel and black color with a less opacity. Transition of width 0.6 second, linear. Now when the nav is active, give width as 350 pixel, and now add this class active to this nav so you can see it is working correctly. So now select this UL inside this nav and give display as flex, list style type 1, so this dot will remove, padding of 0, margin of 0, width of 0 and transition on the width 0.6 second, linear. Also add overflow acts as hidden. Now select when the nav is active, then what should happen to the UL is its width should be 100%. Then select li tag inside of the UL and inside of a nav. It should have a transform of rotate y 0 degree, opacity of 0, transition on the transform 0.6 second, linear, and on the opacity 0.6 second, linear. Then select when the nav is active, then what should happen to the li is it should transform rotate y to the 360 degree and the opacity should be 1, but it is not visible now, so let me comment this part for the time being. Later on we will uncomment this. Now select anchor tag inside this nav and UL, give position as relative, color of black, text decoration none, margin of 0 and 20 pixel. Now the next is select this dot icon class and give a styling as background color of this white, border of 0, cursor of pointer, padding of 0, position of relative and height of 30 pixel, width with 30 pixel same as height. Now when this dot icon is on focused, give outline as none. Now select this dot line class inside of this dot icon and give background color of this blue color, height of 2 pixel, width of 20 pixel, position of absolute, top of 10 pixel, left of 5 pixel, transition on transform 0.6 second linear. The next, select this dot icon dot line 2 and give top of auto, bottom of 10 pixel. Now select when the nav is active, inside it dot icon and dot line 1. Transform rotate of -765 degree and translate y of 5.5 pixel. So you can see it is making a little bit curved shape. Now copy this line 1 and paste it below and change it to name to line 2 and also change the degree as 765 degree and translate y as -5.5 pixel. The both are opposite to each other. Now uncomment this code which we have commented previously. So we are all done with our styling. Now we will begin with the scripting. First, link this script in our body using the script tag inside it src. In the scripting, first we need to select all the elements which we will use. So first we will say const toggle is equal to document.getElement by id, and inside it this id, that is dot toggle. Then the next element is nav, so we will say const nav is equal to document.getElement by id, and inside it this id, that is nav. Now we will add one add event listener to the toggle. We say toggle.add event listener. The event should be click, then this function should run, that is nav.classlist.toggle that active class. But you can see this is a simple and one line code, so we will remove these curly braces and we will make it easier to understand. So you can see the click is working, but the elements of the nav is not visible. So let me check what is the error here. So make this 360 degree outside of this quotation, and also we forgot this e in the active, so correct this name, and it is working correctly, but it is not correct. So let me remove one light tag and decrease this width to 350 pixel. So now you can see it is working. So there we have it, a modern animated navigation bar with a smooth transition. So this is perfect for modern website, landing page or portfolios. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome web development tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.